Okay guys, on July 8, 2023, now you can see that this is my plant of penwiper, or you can also call it as kalanchoe marmorata in botanical language. So now you can see that we have one main stem and one substem. You can see this thing. I have forceps artery in my hand. It is not, it is artery forceps, okay? The instrument is artery forceps, and now we will take our pruner and we will cut this stem out because we want to propagate this plant with the help of stem cutting. Now you can see that this is the wound. This is the wound, and you are not supposed to plant this cutting directly into the soil, but best is to place this cutting in the shade and then you need to plant it. Why it is so? Because this wound will be healed after some time, and then there is a small membrane of callus, okay, which will come. So on July 11, 2023, now you can see that this is my same cutting. You can see that now wound is healed. The part which is wounded is healed, and now we can directly plant it out. Now you can see this is my pot, which is actually the bottom side of the PET bottle, small soft drink PET bottle. And why I am using these PET bottles? Because they are very good, okay? Their material is very good. And now I have placed some stones or pebbles in the bottom. Why it is so? Because we want a better drainage. We want that no water or no excess water will be inside our media. And now with the help of spade, I am putting my media into the pot, which is actually the PET material based pot. And now you also can see that my media is very sandy. It has 50% simple garden soil and 50% simple construction sand. And you can also see some sort of compost like appearance. Why it is so? Because I used to live in the village area, so there are a lot of what's called as the leaves, okay? There are dry leaves or like decayed leaf, and they used to form some humus like thing. Now you can see that how my pot used to absorb the water. Now we need to put this cutting like this, okay, like this one. Usually the success rate of succulent cutting is 99 to 100%, okay? So we have to put it in the shade and not in the full sun. So on August 10, 2023, now we have our cutting, and you can see that after a lot of days, after several weeks, it has grown a little bit, not so much, but still we can see a lot of good root structure, okay? Now you can see that how much roots it has, okay? There are a lot of roots. Now you can see it out. This is our kalanchoe marmorata, our spotted kalanchoe plant, our penwiper, and we are just going to grow it, or we have just grown it in the simple media. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can propagate this kalanchoe marmorata or penwiper plant with the help of stem cuttings. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.